Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and today, as you can see by the title, we are redoing the Flex Room, trying to give it a refresh. And you will be happy to know that the items that I am refreshing this
Yeah,
room with
yeah, yeah.
came from thrift store, garage sale, estate sale. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. As you can see, this is what the room is looking like right now. These two paintings that you see on the wall are actually from garage sales. One is from last year, and then this large one here is from just a few weeks ago. So yeah, I'm gonna start trying to get some things out of the way so that I can kind of clear the way, because I have a lot of things that I purchased, like I said, from garage sales and things like that. And so this will kind of teach you guys that you don't need to spend a whole lot of money just to, maybe, I don't know, repurpose your room to freshen it up. It doesn't always have to look the same. Now, don't get me wrong. I really do love my living room area, and probably the only thing I've done in there is maybe switch where the couches are. But here, I found these two suitcases, and I guess I put the plant in the way so you can't really see. But I got these suitcases from a garage sale. I got both of them for $35. Yeah, both for $35. And my husband and I, we've always liked the look of something like that. So you see me here just trying to situate it, trying to put it in a good spot to just make sure that it's in a nice place. Eventually, I'm going to want to put that plant on top of it. But I cannot stress enough. I can't wait for you guys to see the final result. Um, it puts you in a mood. It really does put me in a mood. I mean, in a nice mood. People have come to the house and they've seen it and they absolutely love it. And I do too. So you got to stay tuned to the end to check out what this room is going to look like. But in the meantime, I want you guys to kind of sit back, relax. I try to put on some good music so that you can just kind of feel the vibe, of what I'm trying to do here in this house and shifting furniture and all that. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. So check it out. So the whole vibe, I think, for this room is going to be like, I don't know, the France or Italy or something like that. So that's why I feel like the suitcases go really well. So here I'm going to remove this picture because I noticed that I really do like the landscape of the two photos that I showed you, or pictures, paintings that I showed you at the beginning of the video. And that piece that we just removed is abstract. So here you see me really trying to figure out what we're gonna, how I'm gonna hang this, because, for some reason, I hate, this is the portion of decorating that I hate, is when you have to hang something and you got to make sure that both pieces are going to be the same, and you got to do your measuring and everything. I really dislike this portion, but with the help of my daughter, Kayla, you see here, we're going to get this figured out. We're going to get it all figured out. But I feel like these doors also kind of go with the theme of what I'm trying to do. So yeah, just kind of hang out with me. Like I said, y'all, look at Kayla. She has on a t-shirt that she got from Goodwill, no, a dress that she got from Goodwill, and still has the price tag on it. Because we like, when we buy things, we like to go ahead and try things on. But let's just show you, this is just us on the regular, y'all. So this is us trying to get some measurements and see exactly where we were going to try to hang it on the existing nail, but it's not going to work because it's just way too low and it kind of hits the credenza that's below it. So we know now I have to pull those nails out, but I did fill them in, and yeah, so that's just us just trying to get it all figured out. On the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Okay, so what I did here with this painter's tape is I put the painter's tape on the back of the door where the nails go, and then I punched holes in the tape. So then I take the tape off the back of the door and place it on the wall, so that way I know my nails will be spaced correctly. Now, you do have to make sure you measure from, like I would measure away from the window where the tape needs to go. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, and that way I definitely will know where it's going to be hung, this is one of the things that I'm so glad that I discovered with this whole painter's tape thing. And because those doors are the same width apart, I'll just move that tape over to the other side, make sure I have it measured correctly, and we'll be good to go. But while I have you guys here, go ahead, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And when you hit the subscribe button, make sure you also punch that notification bell so that way you're notified every time I put up a video. And don't forget to thumbs up me, because I'm doing this not just for me, but for you guys too, to see how much you can do with, things that you don't have to pay a whole lot of money for. So if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up as well. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And my name is Karen, so why wouldn't you share, y'all? So here we are. I think I've already put the first two nails in the wall, and we're just gonna go ahead and hang the very first door. I cannot wait. I can't stress enough. I can't wait until you guys see what it looks like afterwards. It's just, I don't know, it puts me in a mood every evening that I pass by this room at night, and you'll see why in a few minutes. Your girl got to be careful getting down. So here I also purchased these wall sconces, and we did pretty much the same thing. We measured from the floor all the way up on both sides. We actually counted the blinds. That's what we did. We counted how many blinds down, and that's where the nail was going to go. And we were able to put those sconces that we bought from an estate sale. I think they gave them to me for both for like $15 or something like that. And they go perfect in this room because of the colors that I picked in this room. It's just perfect. So now we got the doors up, we got the suitcases down, we got the sconces up. Now it's time to kind of just put everything back where it belongs. I did end up purchasing new lampshades. They're all white. You're not going to see it in this video, but probably if you guys follow me, and you'll see those lampshades probably in another vlog or something like that. But are you seeing how it's just kind of, I don't know, it's just all coming together. But I don't know. Oh, it's such a vibe. I love it. So here I am, taking advantage of the time of making sure that I, clean everything, kind of wipe it down. Because I've pretty much had this room the same since we moved in the house, and we moved in this house on January 15th of 2021. Was it 21? Yeah, 2021. I hope you guys are enjoying the music that I chose to play too. You'll have to let me know. Let me know in the comments if you're liking the vibe. So here I am just really trying my best to see how can I, pull all this together. Like it takes some thinking sometimes, guys. So just bear with me. So as you can see, I'm just putting everything pretty much back in its place. Shifting over furniture to make sure everything, just kind of gel together. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just glad that I even pulled out the camera to record this, because sometimes, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I get so anxious in how I want certain things to look that I end up just going straight forward with putting things together. And I don't wait. And I'm like, they would have loved this, but I'll just go about my business and get things put together. So there, I just put the plant back on top of those suitcases. I even think at one time I maybe have flipped that suitcase, the bottom one, over so that you can see more of the color. I like to keep that vase there for flowers. As you can see, that's a picture of my mother, who passed away December of 22. No, that's not right. December of 21. So we moved in here January 21, and she passed December 21. But I like to keep that vase there because I try to buy her flowers. I try to buy her flowers every other week. Fresh flowers to put in there. I couldn't buy them for her when she was alive because she was so allergic to them. So that's what we do. So here we go. This is what we're looking like so far. Show you guys how I got things kind of set up. Those are the sconces. But you gotta stay tuned, because just because you see it like this does not mean it's gonna stay this way. You have to stay tuned, guys. I can't wait for y'all to see this. Going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball in the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Already, I know you can feel the vibe of that. That picture is what was my inspiration for getting everything the way that it is. I just absolutely love that picture. It just spoke to me. And y'all, guess where the picture came from? It originally came from Hobby Lobby. Crazy. Here it is again. This is not the final. I just want to warn you, this is not the final. This is it, kind of lit up like an everyday, just, with your lamps on and you got company over and stuff like that. I absolutely love. Like I told you, I did flip that suitcase over so that you can see more of the color, but I didn't want too much of the color showing. Just enough to complement the room. I absolutely love it. And now I think you're about to see what I've been wanting you to see. Here comes the big reveal. Here it is at night. And look at it, y'all. It's all kind of like lit up. Like when it's darker in the room, it just looks so good. I moved those gold lanterns and put them on the floor near the suitcase. Then I have these other lanterns that I had on my entryway table that I put on the actual end tables, and then the sconces are all lit up. I love walking by this room at night because I have all the candles timed and they all come on at the same time, and it's just it's the best vibe in the world. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I so enjoyed bringing it to you. I love doing things like this, like just making my house into a home, like I tell my husband. And, just stay tuned because there's going to be more to come. I have another video that I am working on for the back patio because, of course, it's spring, the summer is coming. You got to make your outdoors match the vibe of the indoors. But there's that beautiful picture that inspired all of this. Again, guys, thank you so much. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. I would thoroughly appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up and share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen. So why wouldn't you share? Thank you again, guys. Bye-bye.